Okay, this video I'm going to show you how to get started with the Trebuchet project. So first off, we're going to go to the File Explorer and we're going to create a new folder for this project. So I'm going to go into the tech drive right here and go into Student Folders and find your folder. I've put a copy of one in there for myself. And we've got our other projects. We're just going to right click and say New Folder. And we're going to put in Trebuchet, T-E, oops, I think that's right. Okay, once we've got that folder set, I'm going to take this screen and make it a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to go back to File Explorer and go back into the tech drive one more time. And in this case, I'm going to go into the resource folder. So I'm back in the tech drive, and if we go to the resource folder, there's a folder in there that says Trebuchet Parts and Template. We're going to take that folder, put it right inside your folder. Now, changed things this year. In past years, I've had you draw all these parts. In this case, you're just going to work on the assembly and doing the drawing. So the first thing you need to do is change the name of all these parts. So if you click on here and just get rid of the first part of it, don't get rid of the second part, and just put your last name in. Keep the second part so that all of these show up with your last name. I'm not going to go through it because that's my name. Alright, next off you're going to follow the next video, which is going to be getting you started on building the assembly. It is important that you save that assembly file to this same folder and that you have all these parts in your own folder, not working from the resource folder. So you have your own copy of these files and you rename them before you get started with the assembly. So again, I'm in my we're in the student folders here. We've got our own Trebuchet folder that you've copied or that you've created, and within that you've copied these parts and renamed them. Now you're ready to get started with the second video.